Be ready for dictation. Start. Upon considering the above observations, it is crystal clear that the right to be heard is known as a right to fair hearing or audi alteram patent is considered as a fundamental principles of natural justice and is implicit recognized as a fundamental right, though this right to be heard was not explicitly listed as a fundamental right. Constitutional courts have consistently held that it must be conferred in a proceeding that adversely affects the right or interest of an individual. The right to be heard is a core component of natural justice. Right to move freely, granted under Article 19d of the Constitution, can only be curtailed by following due process of law. When the procedure is laid down under Section 59 of the Act, that the officer concerned shall inform a person in writing of the general nature of the material allegations against him and can meet the reasonable opportunity of tendering an explanation regarding them. Therefore, the purport of Section 59 mandates the officer concerned to mandatorily issue a notice in writing of the general nature of material allegations against the externee and call upon him to give explanation. Violation of such mandatory provision amounts to violation of Article 19d of the Constitution as well as principles of audi alteram patent. Needless to mention that so far as the present case is concerned, the entire procedure laid down under Section 59 of the Act has not been mandatorily followed, and it was conveniently bypassed. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that even though the petitioner has raised this ground before the appellate authority, he has conveniently ignored the same. When there is a question of fundamental right guaranteed under Article 19 of the Constitution of India, it is the duty of all concerned who are dealing with the matters to be sensitive before passing of the order. It seems from the record that when the inquiry was conducted under Section 59 of the Act, the sub-divisional police officer, though has issued notice but failed to consider that whether the notice was served on the externee. Therefore, there is gross violation of the fundamental right of the petitioner to be heard in the proceeding, like externment, is of paramount consideration. and violation of such amounts to violation of constitutional values enshrined in the Constitution of India.